Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air3 Pro headphones, and today I'm gonna show how can you easily just disconnect from your iOS device. Let's get started. First we have to go into our control panel, then we have to go into our Bluetooth settings by holding our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, we are now connected with our OPPO Enco Air3 Pro headphones. We have to go into info of this device and click disconnect. And as you can see, we are now not connected. To connect back, we just have to close our case and open it back. Now we are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.